Hello, this is the Fun with Electronics Project 3, Part 1, Hardware Verification. So in this, we're asked to create this circuit, which is supposed to detect the water level of whatever body of water we're putting our leads into. In this case, it's this cup. And we'll see I have 4 different stages, all with different lighting. Here's the circuit in hardware. It's going to be hooked up to a 9-volt DC. So this is my lowest stage, which we'll see when I look in the cup in just a second, which I have as green because we're good, slightly less good, slightly less good. Now we're bad and we get a warning from the buzzer. So this is the highest level, this lowest level kind of fills in order. You can see in here, this one, let's see, the one furthest down here is going to be our positive power. These guys are lowest level, which is going to be green. These guys are blue, these guys are yellow, these guys are red. And I just have them taped inside that cup, and then that cup's filled with water. Cool. So, if I fire this thing on, we see that nothing happens, which is what we anticipate, because there's no or very little water in the cup. I was having an issue while building this, where, for whatever reason, one of the transistors had a substantially higher gain than the others. So, this room's a little bit staticky, and that static in the air was just enough to give a little bit of a base current and turn on the transistor. So when I fired this thing on the first time, the yellow LED turned on without any water. Then I just kind of ripped out transistors until I got one with a low enough gain. Cool. So if I take water and I pour it into here while showing the circuit, this could be interesting. I think you can see both. See green goes on. You see blue goes on. We see yellow goes on. Then we see red goes on, and we get that incredibly obnoxious buzzer, which is exactly what we're wanting. I'm going to turn that off before I go deaf. Cool. That's exactly what we wanted to see.